Hi, my name is Linh. I'm about to start my third year of Bachelor of Computer Science at the University of Adelaide. I was with a workbench team, working on a tool called Workflow MAE. So it's basically a graph of operations, and I mainly improve the visuals of the link in the graph, and also added some animations to improve the user experience. I heard lots of good things about Maptek from previous interns. So when the internship application opened, I just jumped right in and applied. Get to work with real people and real software, and I think like having such experiences really good. In the code review processes, there were just lots of issues I didn't notice until others pointed that out, and it was amazing to learn from their feedback. We have a really large code base, and I have to understand what each component do and how my change will affect those things. It's important to consider how the user interact with the system and how they expect a certain functionality to work. I've been exposed to a really complex systems and also working in a team, and I believe that it undoubtedly gave me so much advantage when I come back to study or even throughout my future career.